Yeah, today we are going to do this, the maximum occurrence. Yeah, so the idea of doing this, I believe, with first I have to. This one is a string. Yeah, the input type is a string. So I have to look through the string, and then how to check for each of the character. If more than one character has high frequency. Yeah, actually, you guys can join in. I mean, can open your mind and give us an idea on how to do this. Okay.
Can you send me the link for the questions?
This one.
Yeah.
Well, let me. This one is string. So let me search Google first. String dot look contents. Is there anything called this? String dot include, yeah. Yeah, for me, I normally will go and search what are the ES6 method I can use to get to match with the idea I want. So my idea is I have to look through the string, and then I have to check for each character. Yeah, each character, and then compare the frequency of each character. So how can I look? How can I check for each character? Do you have any idea how can you check for each character?
So you can do a double loop. So you check the first one. So you select the first character. So in this example, C.
Then for A to Z, is it?
Yeah, and then you look through the whole thing. So you except for the first one. So you will check like if C and O is equal. If C and O is not equal, you go with M. If C and M is not equal, you go next. Basically, you just keep on jumping through the string until you find maybe C has how many C does it have? If C in this case will be the big capital doesn't count as one, I think. So I think I see. So basically, you just keep looping through and see whether if it match. If it's only one, then you skip to the next one and count until you can find anything that is two. So yeah, you can try that.
Maybe I try this. I try. Yeah, this one I have to make into a string. Yeah. Maybe a David. For this one, string dot robot for each. We say something for each, but this one is a string, right? Not an array. Maybe we try it first. Then we console the log first. Is it working? Then how can we hold this file? Run this This is not.
You can try to right click, and then run code. See if it works. No, it doesn't.
Is it? It got a syntax error. Oh, I know already. Yeah. Control ALTN is running code. What is the error again? Why I cannot right click?
Mm,
Oh, this one is ready. This one. You see, I can right click.
oh,
I think it's running.
uh,
I think it is running already. You see, I cannot. Stop code run.
but the for each, right, is actually for array, and in this case
Yeah.
you're not getting an array, right? You're just getting the string.
Yeah.
So you can try to delete the whole thing and you try to print a str console.log str. See whether it works. And try to run it.
Yeah, I think it's get stuck. I can't run it. It gets stuck already. I mean, since at the beginning, since I create this one code. Yeah, maybe this one. How come it's very weird.
Maybe you put it in a folder instead. Right now it is in desktop, right? The file. I don't know
Yeah.
if it matters. Yeah. So you just put in a.
Yeah, maybe we close it first and then we reopen. And this one is not clear. I mean,
If you cannot do this, then you turn off your VS Code and then you use your terminal to go into this file.
I mean, there should be a command to allow us to run this, right? JS
Yeah.
file.
Yeah, it's a node. Basically, you do node today.js.
Yeah, something wrong. Oh, I know already. I think is it?
Okay.
Yeah, maybe we change it to a simpler name. It's too long.
Let me try on my end.
Yeah, then like this. We crash. You see, it crashed already. I'll close the other first. Uh, Be patient. It's still loading. Do you have any idea of this?
Let me try my site first. I don't know if it's matters.
Crash, my site crash. No, JS. Yeah, it's running.
It's running.
Then if I string dot for each, this is okay.
So,
Single array. So maybe we can do Google check how to look through a string. How to look a string. Yes. I use a for loop or for it. If I do want for in, for off. Yeah, the only way is for off. No choice. For character of string. Let me console the log again. Character. This. Then we set it. We not again. So for now, how can we check for the same character? It's quite inefficient to for add to Z, add to Z, add to Z, and then record down. And for each of the character, we have to check for do you have any ideas on this? Write a function that is try to concept use in counting sort. Let's see what is counting sort. Yeah, counting sort may be the key. Count each element in the line and place the count at appropriate. Maybe 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 0, 1, 2, 3. For 1, we got 2. You see? We got 2, 1. Then we got 1, 4. So means this is the bit EDMBIT from A to Z. For the A, we got 1A. We got 2, we got 1B. Yeah, we got 1A, we got 1B. So the idea is JavaScript. Yeah, we really have to count one by one. You see? Okay. In this sorted. It's really difficult, this one. You have any idea, Nelson or Xing Hong?
You can try the brute force way to do it first by personally I would do is I will split them into an array. But if you want to do this, the for and off loop is okay. But I personally prefer to do it in a number way lah. But basically, you're just looping through. It's not exactly the most efficient, but it's probably the best brute force method for now lah. So you can try that. So basically, you're gonna have a 2 for loop.
Yeah, this is the one for loop.
Yeah.
Loop if. And second loop is?
You're also looping it through. So you're gonna compare each of the char of the string, as char of the string with the next char of the string. So basically, you compare char with char plus 1, if it makes sense.
So I have to compare the character at the 0 and the character at the first, and then first and the second, is it?
And then you compare 0 to the second one. You compare 0 to the third one. You compare 0 to the fourth one. And then you're gonna save if the 0 is equals to the one of the numbers in the string, right? You just have a empty variable store as like, okay, so this number, this character has 2 occurrence. So right now, index in the hello world, in the example is computer science, right? So computer science, if you go with C capital, there won't be anything. Whereas small c has 2 occurrence, so you save that as a 2 occurrence. But E has 3 occurrence. In that sense, that E is much how to say, it has more occurrence, and then you return E.
Yeah, means I have to do in like this already.
Yeah, preferably because that one is less confusing.
If string I equal to string I plus 1, then we have to say what? We have to declare a variable, right? Or what?
Mm.
Do we have to declare a variable?
You need to declare a variable to store the character as well as to store how many times it appears.
Oh,
Mm.
this is quite complicated. Let character.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And then you need to declare a count, which is like to count the character as well. Yeah.
If this one equal this one, how plus 1 is it?
The character is not a number, so you need to split the count and the character. So character would be a string, whereas a count would be a number.
Can we do like this? If I really ready to type.
Yeah.
Oh.
Okay. Then you probably need another loop, if I'm not wrong.
This one is to check whether the 0 and 1, 0 and 2. No, is it?
Yeah, if it's right now is
No, this one is 0 to 1, 1 to 2 already.
Yes, that's why you need 2 loop, or you need a counter as well. So meaning you want to keep track of the first. So how do I say that?
Is it a nested array?
You need a double nested array. Double nested array. So that you can actually look through it.
Wow. Well, what are you trying to say is, for each of a character, I have a frequency right here, is it?
Yes. So look at add-a-bit, right? So right now the add-a-bit. So the first loop will be keep tracking on which element that you want to keep track. So in this case, E. So you compare E to D, E to A, E to B, E to I, E to T. And then once you found out that there is no occurrence, you move the loop to the second letters, which is D. And then you use D to find if D is equals to first one, third one, fourth one, fifth one. So that's why you need a 2 loop.
My brain is rushed.
It's okay. Let me try on my side first. And then I'll see what I can explain.
Actually, Qinghong, you can help also. Qinghong.
Okay.
If E equal to D, first one. If E equal to D, then we will check for the more. Else will let increase. So if E equal to D, if E equal to D, E equal to A, E equal to B, I, T.
So it's only one occurrence. So that means only one only. The frequency for E would be 1.
No, means I have to another.
Yes. You need another loop.
let's say equal to 0, 1.
Uh,
Let's say equal to 0.
zero is fine. Zero is fine. But if
But
you
as long
say
as-
you need to set a condition saying that
Yeah,
if I
I
equals
equal
to
0.
j, then you skip it. Yeah.
Yeah. So if I equal to j, you just return or break.
Or you can put. Actually, it return is return is.
Oh, return, right?
Or you can just put the empty bracket, do nothing.
Continue, is it?
Or continue. Yes. Yeah. You can do that too.
And else if
Uh,
else
just else.
and else. No, else you have to do a checking already. So this one else you have to do checking. If this thing, if I equal to j,
Then you save that character, which is you put char equals to char
I
would
put there.
equals to string bracket I think equals to string bracket I, and then you want to increase the count by 1.
But this one we only can save one character only, right?
Yeah, that is the character that you're going to return, because the question is asking for to return the which one has the most, right? So, and then the count is going to be +1. And the original declare, you want to put it as not 0 but 1 as well.
Which one? Not 0 but 1.
Yeah. No. This one, yeah. The let count equals to 0. You put it as 1. Yeah. Let count equals to 1.
Oh yes.
Yeah. Okay. And then you need another check case for if there's another character has more occurrence, then you need to replace it. So
but here, won't the character be overwritten by another character?
The character will be overwritten, but that's why you probably need another variable to keep track lah. I think.
But I think we need a list to store the character any respective frequency.
Yeah.
An array, not a list, an array.
I think you can do that too. You can also do it as an object as well lah. But I'm not.
Yeah, maybe it's object.
Yeah.
Array, object array.
If you use object, then you can store a key and a value, right? Whereas if you put array, you can only store one. Well, technically you can do like a sub array lah. I think that also works.
Or maybe I change this character and count. Maybe I change this character, then I change it into array. Is it okay?
It should be okay lah. You give it a try and see.
Then the character is character 0 push. Is it okay?
I think you can just do character dot push. You don't need to put 0 lah.
0 is 1. 0 is for this one.
Oh, okay.
Then push is the number.
Okay. Yeah.
But I also need another variable to count in, right?
Yes.
But
So-
this one is this one will be not one anymore once I increase it.
Mm,
Yeah, I push it into a character, and then I also need to push another variable to count the frequency into character.
okay. So yeah, you probably need another variable in this case.
Yeah. Maybe like this first. Nine. Character one. Push. We count plus one. Plus. Yeah. So this one is just the first. It's just the first E only, right?
Mm,
E comparing to D, A, B, I, T.
yes.
And once the answer, we normally will get the character. I think you will get nothing in here, right?
Can
Because we don't have E, because the IE is not equal to any of the other character here.
yes, you get nothing in this
Yeah,
case.
you get nothing. So
Mm,
then we have to consider out first. Here, I think finish here is it? This one else statement. Yeah, maybe we need to consider out first. Character. It's difficult actually. I think today we just do this question.
um,
So you see 1, 2, 3, 4. Why how come so long? 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 times 5. No, 6, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many are how much are 1, 2, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yes. It's already looping through, looping all the way.
okay. Let me try on my end first.
Yeah, so AWS should not have any occurrence, right? Yeah, no repetition. What if we change it to the this one, computer science? If we have a conflict there. Yeah. Oh, and also S. I cannot already. You see?
Mm,
Define reading push. Undefined push. AWS. You see?
it's counting.
Let's try answer. His answer is E. E is 1 only. No, here 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Maybe the logic is.
Yeah, really incorrect. First time at the last, when you get to a T, here is T. This one is the last one, right? So
Yeah.
it's when I equal to T, J equal to E, then it push. It is not, so it doesn't push.
Okay.
I know, it's here, computer science, sorry. Yeah, here. equal to E. Not yes is 1. Not yes. Not. So it's supposed to have 2 only. So when you see we got E and C happening. Something correct, something wrong.
Okay.
That one is very difficult. Okay. If we look the computer, here I compare with the J. If they are the same, then we push the character and the frequency into a character array. Then we plus the count equal to 1. Then after counting, we have to we have to count equal to 1 back. But this one, why we will look through? I think we don't want to do else here. Double if. I don't think we can finish it. Computer science. 1. Then compare with this 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0. But here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Why 8 only? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Wow. How come? Computer science. For I and J, we compare. If I equal to J, no. We continue. If string I equal to string J, maybe you don't want to trouble ourselves first. Let's draw this first. Not A, not S. You see? It's working actually.
Okay.
And then for this one, we have to, after is looping one time, we have to, is looping here first. We have to add a divider. Add a divider here.
Okay. So
You see, we got 2C, 1C, 2E, 1C, 1C. It's more clearer now. So our logic is actually correct. Just the way it's being pushed is incorrect. You see? So computer science, COMPUTER, and then ER, SCIENCE. Hey, how come you so much? Oh. Anyway, to continue it. Yeah, maybe we can also consider all the things first. And you can see right, computer science. Computer science, for how many times you have to? You will be taking computer science length time. Yeah. So for each of the time, if you look through these two experiments, and for the second experiment, if the I is equivalent to j, we consider log the thing. So in case of the not repetitive character, for example, the O, M, P, U, T, S, I, N, you not be able to, you will not be displaying. So we only have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. By right, we only have 6. By right, we only have 6 this consider log here. By right, yeah. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Why is 8? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How come? You got any idea to continue, Nelson?
I am testing with let's see. For I plus 1, if I equals to j, continue. If string I equals to string j, you print out it equal, right? So
Maybe can do this also. String of j. Yeah. strj. Yeah. Computer science. Yeah, for the last page, last page is a T. So how come this one is E is comparing? Oh, last one is C, sorry. Not the last character is C. So this C is comparing 1 and 2. Yeah. The last C, which is not hidden here. No, which is hidden here because of this if statement.
okay.
Computer A, I don't think it's correct. Computer Yeah, it's 2, 3, 2, 3. It's 3. Should be 3. Yeah, this one, our logic is correct already, actually. Yes, how can we add it to an array? Computer. Yeah, C, we only got one SAM C in the computer science words. So we only comparing one time. So if we have the same thing, I don't think we can combine like this, should we? Because you see, when we are comparing like this, at the E character, we'll be comparing from here E and here E. Then from here again, we'll be comparing here and here again. And here we'll combine here and here again.
Okay. Two. Yeah, I think in this case we probably need to use object, but I'm trying to think how to do it. The logic is correct. The logic is correct. It's just how to push
Maybe
it.
I push this first, and then I check whether I got the same character. Should I?
Okay.
Because same character means same count already, right?
Yeah, you can give it a try and see whether if it push it into the object. I mean,
Maybe I do first. E and C. So I have to check if E is already available inside, then I no need to push already. Yeah, maybe I can push the count also beside them. Maybe I give it another variable called character. Count plus character dot push. Oh, now beside them. So from here will be S, yeah, E2, E3, E2, C2. Yeah. But this one time is 3. How come it's 3? 1, 2, 3. Is it if I change the system mean? Let's see. S2, M2. This one, why can't it's 3? How come it's 3? This one is 2, then it becomes 3 again. This one 2 because it's at the beginning here, I believe. Then you detect 2 other same. Oh, I know already. Yeah, should be correct. Because 2 means at here, it detect once, so it will be pushed inside, then count plus 1. It becomes 3, 2. 1 becomes 2. Then for here, if it's met this character again, you push inside again, then count will be plus 1 again.
Okay.
Yeah. So yeah, so it's like that. But how can we get this? We have to get this. Wow, that is quite difficult. Suitable character. We push the count. Then maybe the Lemmas method for each of the let I equal to, I copy this whole thing. Instead of trying to get everything, I want to get this one, this array character. So it should be returning E2, E3. Is it? Never mind, we try it. This one is array, right? E3. And then for each of the even number, it is an character.
Okay.
Then for each of the odd number is a frequency. So for even number, its frequency is even plus 1 index. So for each of the for each of the number, you will check over it here. For each of the even number, for each of the if how can you look through an even number? You know how to do it.
Even number.
Yeah.
You're looking for even number, or just looking for the index?
Because for now, my idea is to get each of the character here and then check the frequency behind it.
So
If the frequency behind it is the largest number, then I will return the even number. This is the lamest way I can think of. I know already. If I is divisible by 2, or I equal to 0. Yeah. Consider first. Character I. You see?
Okay.
This one, why I get E2 again? 1, 2. Is this one consider 1, 2, 4? Why there's E here? Oh, I know already. I have to do this. 3. Correct. You see? I'm getting this. So instead of checking this, I should be checking irrespective. Let's see. You see 2, 3, 3, 3, 3. Then I try to find the maximum number. Then from the maximum number, I find back its respective number, even number. Is it a proper way to do so?
Not too sure.
Like for example, I get 3, then I try to get the index, then I get the E. If I have I plus 1 hydrogen maximum number if had the I plus 1. At the end, I have to proceed log number. Even I get the maximum number, I should get back this one, right?
I guess. If char 1 plus 1 is max number.
Wow. I don't think I can solve this. You see, it's 3 only. How can I get the index if I only got the 3? Maybe I have to look through again. For each of the odd number, which index is 3? Maybe. Yeah. Max number. Then for each of the number already. I mean, how can I get the latest one? How can I get this? I got 3 here, but how can I get the index back? The 3 is here. How can I get the index?
I'm not too sure.
Oh, maybe I have to declare another variable. The index equal 0. And index equal to I plus 1. And index. I will say is at the 3. So 0, 1, 2, 3. Wait. Index. Sorry. This one. I think for it already. I think we are close to the answer. You see, 0, 1, 2. So E should be the one with the highest number. So for each one, then we have to return this one. This one is inside here. See, we got the index ready, right? And we can return it. Console log the string index. Maybe I comment out all the console log first. It's very difficult, right? M. Why is M? How come it's M? Or maybe because I got the comma counting also. So instead of this, I have to put the character. Yeah. The S. Yes. You see E. You see what? So this is E. But you want it to be like this. For example, we can test this one out. S. M and S. So I only can get S, not M. Yeah. I think this is the best I can do today. Now wait, let me re-explain to you all. This one first. When I got the input, got this input, I will like loop through each and loop through if the words I loop through and check if the words are having a similar character. Then if I have a similar character, I will store them inside an array called char. Yeah, and then I will insert their frequency in the as a count variable beside them. Then once I got the repetitive character and their respective count, I will go to another for loop again to check which character has the maximum frequency represented by the count. Once the respective character has the maximum frequency, it will be returned as the index form. Yeah. And the index will be returned and will be embedded in the char array in order to return the concerned character which has the highest frequency. But for now, since I only do the 2D array for our character, the child, so I only can return the latest and the highest frequency, even though the words may be having the same highest frequency of character. Like for this one system, I mean we got the M and S. Yeah, so this one I can get like 50% out on this question. Actually, do we have the answer for this question?
You can click on solutions. You should be able to unlock it. I don't think you have. Yeah, you don't have AXP. Okay.
Yeah. Uh-huh. So, do you want to study this or not? This one?
So it's almost the same concept. So he started with an empty object and
Yeah,
then
they also got
through
comparing the maximum.
basically he's appending the um the string itself, the character itself with the frequency into the object, and then he used the methods of math.max to find whichever that has the maximum. And then
Yeah, because you see, this one is actually my whole, this one. But just that they didn't need to check whether it's at the odd or even number.
mhm.
And because they got this one, they spread it already. Yeah, okay. Yeah, I really can't get this. Yeah, this is really difficult.
I get something similar, but I just couldn't solve the last one.
Yeah. Yeah, okay. I don't think I can do like this. I think this is the result of today. So at least we can get 50% of the correct answer. Yeah. So do you have any other question on this?
I'm good. I'm good over here.
I'm not so good. Yeah, I think that's all for today. So thank you for the session. Yeah, I shall end my recording here.
Thank you, Jason.
How can I?